We're nearing the end of the eye gathering, and you might think that you've seen it all. But what if I told you we are just getting started? Let's welcome to the stage, Ryan McClymonds.
All right. All right, guys. Do you love innovation or what? You love it. Because if we don't have innovation, we're what?
Dead.
Not living.
Yesterday.
We're dying. We don't have innovation. We want to be known as a legacy company? No. All right, so we love innovation because it's cool, because it moves people forward. Without innovation, we wouldn't have gone to the moon, we wouldn't have intercontinental travel, we certainly wouldn't have the iMop. More importantly, without innovation, none of us would be sitting here. None of us would be part of this amazing iTeam family, this amazing iTeam movement. But when we think about innovators, throw me some names. Who are some great innovators? Steve Jobs, very good. What's that one? Oh, you're gonna have to help. Oh, Edison, very good. Frank Vanderman, great innovator. Good.
Ryan McClymonds.
Yeah. Our team in China, great innovators. You are innovators. Does anybody know why I say that? Who are you closest to every day you're out in the field? Do we call them operators? I heard the word operators. What do we call them?
The I-Users,
I-Users.
the hospitality.
Hosts. Because of that, you are the closest to innovation that we can get because you've got a tool that no other company has. You've got something in your back pocket working at iTeam that no one else has. Anybody know what that is? What does the I in iTeam stand for? Inquire. Innovate. Inspire. This is your toolkit. You go out, you talk to our happy I-Users, you find out what do they need, what are their challenges, because challenges become what? Opportunities. Good, you were in my session. Very good. All right. Now, does anybody know what this is here? A robot vacuum, I heard. Yeah? You know what this is called? If you know this.
Radio.
Here we go. Get ready. It's the RCA Whirlpool Miracle Kitchen Robotic Vacuum. That's a mouthful, isn't it? Any ideas when this was actually shown to the world?
60s.
Close, 60. 1959 is when this came to the world, not to the market. And at the time, it was shown at the World's Fair. RCA very confidently, very proudly said, "It's coming soon." When did we get the first iRobot, the first robotic vacuum? 40 years later. And back in 1959, I could kind of understand that. Do we have that kind of time now to innovate? Do we have 40 years to get a product ready for market? Absolutely not. You guys know Sam Altman, the founder of OpenAI? His quote, "Move fast. Speed is one of your main advantages over large competitors." More and more, I see our competitors moving towards legacy companies. And this is not what we do. Were you all at Flight Forum yesterday and you saw Frank's speech up on the stage? We talked about thinking outside the box. At iTeam, we don't even see the box. We're busy innovating. Where other companies have continuous learning, continuous improvement programs, we have continuous innovation. So what are we targeting? This is where we get down to the road. As iTeam, going into 2025, 2026, what are our innovation targets? Obviously, first and foremost, the iMop, especially related to modularity, serviceability, and circularity. You all saw the iMop presentation with more time? Yeah? Okay. iMop is our top priority for all innovation targets. Next, AI. I'm going to dig into that one in just a minute. And finally, cobotics. These are the three primary innovation targets, along with business processes, I would add. But for you guys, I want you to remember these three things before you leave here, because then you go out to your iUsers and talk about it. Let's start with AI. I think you had a nice talk with Stana. Peter did an amazing job. That was a really incredible presentation. Wasn't that cool?
Yeah.
All right. Do you all know who this is?
i-Ris.
i-Ris, very good. You've seen her around the building. When you first open the door, she's there to greet you. i-Ris could do a lot. Let's just look at some of these things. We could do customer support, so we could help guide calls that come into the company or guide emails. We could do better technical support with the type of visual search. I'm not going to go customer engagement, data collection, combined navigation, human OS engineering. I go through it fast because there is so much you can do with AI. Who here was in my session on cobotics? Yes, all the hands were up. And we talked about what? We talked about reaching out to who? Reach out to the iUsers. That's what we're going to use i-Ris for, to reach out to the iUser. Now, I'm going to paint a scenario for you. I know that you all experienced it. An iMop. You sell a brand new iMop to a customer or a client. You're very, very excited about it. They're very excited. It works. It's great. 2 months later, you go back and it's a wreck. It's dirty. It's not been cleaned. They have not maintained it. Isn't that disheartening? It's not anything we like to see, yet we all see it. So I'm going to show you a little taste of i-Ris here and how she can help with that.
AI is evolving fast, and the world is changing with it. Let me show you how iTeam Global embraces AI to not only change the way we work, but also change the way you might think about cleaning. Hi there. To keep your iMop in top condition, there are a few steps we should take to ensure you will keep achieving the best cleaning results possible. And you can even earn some cool rewards in the process. Are you ready? Fantastic. Let's start maintaining your iMop together. Clean the brushes and don't forget the squeegee. You're doing a great job. You're a good operator of the iMop and this proves it. Head over to your rewards page to see what you've unlocked, and I'll see you next time.
All right, is that cool?